So your next topic is your CMOS inverter. Okay, CMOS inverter, complementary metal oxide semiconductor transistor. So it acts as an inverter, means what? If the input is 1, output will be 0, and if the input is 0, the output is going to be high. Okay, so basically your CMOS inverter consists of one P-channel enhancement MOSFET and one N-channel enhancement MOSFET. So the transistor T1 is your P-channel and your transistor T2 is your N-channel enhancement MOSFET. Okay, and you have input A will be your input and your output is taken across your, so this is going to be your drain and source of your transistor Q1, and this is going to be your drain and source of your transistor Q2. The output is taken across this point that is given as B0. Okay. So you know that the P-channel transistor will be on whenever the input is low, and the N-channel MOSFET will be on, N-channel will be on whenever your input is high, right? Input is high. So these are some of the important points. Let us see the important points. It uses both N-channel and P-channel MOSFETs. What are the two logic levels you have? The two logic levels are 0 and VDD. Okay, supply voltage. Now P-channel MOSFET is on when the input is 0 volt, and the N-channel MOSFET is on when the input is VDD. Okay, now Q1 is the P-channel, right? Q1 is P-channel whereas Q2 is N-channel. When Q1 is on, the output voltage is equal to, now what will happen when Q1 is on? When Q1 is on, your output voltage, this is your V out, right? So your output voltage will be equal to VDD. At the same time, when Q2 is on, what will happen? This is on means it will be connected to the ground. Your output will be equal to 0. Based on this, you can frame your truth table. So what will be your truth table? If input is low, which one will be on? Your P channel will be on. Therefore, your transistor Q1 will be on, transistor Q2 will be off. When your transistor Q1 is on, so this acts as a short and this acts as an open circuit, right? So you don't have connection to the ground. So whatever is your VDD, you will be obtaining it as your V out. That is why V out is equal to high. Similarly, when your input is high, Q1 is off and Q2 is on. Means what? This will act as an open switch and this will act as a short circuit. So your V0 will be connected to your ground, which will be equal to 0. Okay. So this is your truth table. A input, I am repeating it once again, when the input is low, your output is high. When the input is high, your output is low. That is the reason why it is called as a CMOS inverter. So case 1, case 2, we can write to operation or your working principle, we can write it in two cases. What is your case 1? When the input is low, which transistor is on? Q1 is on and Q2 is off, and the output is equal to high, or it is equal to VDD. Okay, it is equal to high. Case 2, when the input is high, your Q1 is off, your Q2 is on, and your output is low. Okay, so this is your working principle of your CMOS inverter.